Dear students, we are discussing causes of poverty, and we have already discussed first 2 points, that is low level of national product and low rate of growth. Now our next point is heavy pressure of population. Population has been rising at a rapid pace. This rise is mainly due to a rapid fall in the death rate. Growth rate of population was 1% in 1941 to 51 and 2.1% in 1991 to 2001. In terms of its size, India's population was 84.63 crore in 1991 and 121 crore in 2011. And already 2020 is going on, and we have already crossed almost 135 to 140 crore. And this is really a very dangerous sign for us. Heavy pressure of population adds to dependency burden, implying greater poverty, because most of the persons are dependent on the person who is generating revenue or who is earning some money, so it implying greater poverty. Okay, now next point is inflationary spiral. Owing to low GDP growth and high growth rate of population, less developed economies like India are vulnerable to inflationary spiral. It means a situation of persistent rise in prices. Inflation compounds poverty. If in a country like India, inflation will increase, so automatically there will be increasement of poverty, and it erodes real income of the households. Those who are marginally above the poverty line are driven down to the poverty line. Persons who are just above the margin line, so due to this particular pressure, means due to inflation rate, they will also be converted into below poverty line. So those already below the poverty line are compelled to suffer deprivation over a longer period of time. Now next topic is chronic unemployment and underemployment. India is a country sustaining chronic unemployment and underemployment. Poverty is just a reflection of unemployment. In India, most of the graduates are unemployed, and because of this, poverty is increasing. In 2011 and 12, the number of unemployed person in India was around 2.45 crore, and it further increased to 4.35 crore till March 2016. And this 2020 is going on, and this number is already increased. Now next is capital deficiency. Capital is one of the principal factor of economic growth. Accumulation of capital points to a rise in production capacity of a nation. Unfortunately, capital stock and capital formation continue to be highly deficient. Lack of capital points to low production capacity. In turns, low production capacity leads to low level of employment, and low level of employment implies high level of poverty. So basically you can see there is a simple relation between these things, that is lack of capital further leads to low level of production capacity, and further it leads to low level of employment and high level of poverty. So still few points are left, and those points will be discussed in next video.